going to look at a picture and an image, and then I'm going to ask you a question. All right, and then you have to answer the question in a very good sentence, in a full sentence. All right. So if you only tell me one word, maybe you get half a point. But if you give me a full sentence, I can give you 2 points or even 3.
All right. Good chance to take the lead.
Let's go with the first image.
Here we go.
All right. So you need to give me an example of a fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel.
Full sentence. Full sentence.
Yes, is a fossil fuel. 2 points here.
Very
Anybody
good.
else? One more. I'm sure there's
There's
more.
more fossil fuels, right?
Fossil fuels have gas, oil, coal. Gas, oil, and coal. Very good. You get 3 points. Thank you very much.
I think that's all of it, right?
All right. Thank you. Next.
All right.
What can we do about global warming?
Global warming.
We can stop driving cars. So what can we do instead? We can take a bus already.
Very good. Yes. Take the bus.
We can stop using gas and use solar power.
Solar
Stop
power.
using fossil fuels and use
Solar power.
Solar power.
very good.
Very good, Aaron.
Thank you very much. Any more answers for this one? All right, go ahead. Give it a try. We can plant more trees.
Very good.
Well, hold on. 1 point for you. We can save the electricity. Very good. 1 more point for you. Thank you. Next.
All right. Next two. Next two.
Now is my question. What happens during an earthquake?
What happens during an earthquake?
So you two raise your hand at the same time.
How about paper, scissors, stone?
All right.
Scissors, stone. Go. Paper, scissors, stone.
Paper, scissors, stone. All right, you go first.
Buildings fall down when there's an earthquake.
The buildings fall down when there's an earthquake. Very
Buildings
good.
fall.
Mike.
Very good.
Mike.
The might fall. Very often in Taiwan, nothing falls.
Some people die in the
Sometimes people die in an earthquake. Anybody else? 3, 2.
What else can happen in an earthquake?
It's okay. You both of you can get 2 points.
Very
All
good.
right, thank you. Next.
All right, next
Three.
two. Next two.
Hold soil, and can we go back? How do trees hold soil in place? And why is it a good thing? It's about earth.
How do trees hold the soil of the ground in place?
Yes. Yes.
How the soil in that place so the soil and some mountain will not fall away.
Thank you very much.
Very
Okay,
good.
3 points. All right, that's a very good answer.
3
All right.
points.
Okay. Ready? Next. 3. All right. We're going to talk about asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. All right. Ready? Where do they come from?
Very quickly, very fast.
They come from outer space.
Very good.
2 points.
2 points,
Now,
right?
what happens if they come to Earth? Like, what happens when
What
they fall?
happens if the asteroid hits Earth?
Yes, what happens? The floor will break. Anybody else? Is
The
it?
floor, Earth floor, what do we call that? Volcano will explode.
All right. So an asteroid hits the Earth. What happens to the Earth? What will be that spot when the Earth cold? It will leave a hole on the floor. I'm just looking for one more word.
We don't want to say floor, we want to say ground. There we go.
Crater. Very good.
It will make a crater. Very good.
Next one. All right.
Next,
so
switch. 2 more.
giant space rock. Can you go back, please? What do you think would happen if a giant space rock struck the Earth? Struck at Earth.
A giant one. A
A
huge
very
one.
big one struck the Earth. What would happen? What do you think would happen?
Maybe a country will just
Maybe a country would be destroyed.
Country will be
Thank you.
destroyed.
2
Okay.
points.
2 points, red team.
There'll be a lot of dust. That's for sure. Very good.
Very
2
good.
points for you too.
Follow-up
Thank you.
question. If there is too much dust, what will happen?
What would happen? There's too much
What will
dust.
happen? Will the earth get hot or cold? Very good.
It'll get very cold. Thank you. 1 more point for this girl. Thank
All right,
you.
next.
Next.
Next two.
What energy sources produce green energy? Where does green energy come from? All right.
Louder, Kelly.
What
Speak a
kind
little
of
bit louder,
energy does
okay?
sun give us?
Louder.
Solar power. Good job. 1 point for you, sweetie. More? What about
Let's hear it one
water?
more time. Solar power.
What about water? What kind of energy does water give us?
Ooh.
Come on.
What kind of power?
What kind of power does water give us?
You have to raise your hand to answer.
Go. What's it? Solar power. Now. Anybody else here?
Solar power comes from the sun.
Of course, it's water power. 1 point for you, sweetie. And what about the wind? What kind of power does wind give us? Come on, it's so easy. Rain power.
Wind power. Good.
1 point for you. All right. Is there any more source of green energy that you can think of? Oh, green energy. Fire. No, that's opposite of green energy. Thank you very much. You may go back.
Very
Thank you
close.
so
Good
much.
job. All right, next two.